In this video, I'll guide you through how to find dividend stocks on Moomoo. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, knowing how to identify dividend stocks can be a valuable skill to add to your investment toolkit. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the Moomoo app on your device and log in. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, make sure it's installed and you have your login credentials ready. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the app's main interface where you can access various features. Next, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several navigation options. Tap on the Markets tab. This section provides a comprehensive overview of the stock market, featuring a wide array of stocks to explore. It's a great place to start when you're searching for potential investment opportunities. Once you're in the Markets section, the next step is to select a stock you're interested in checking out. You can browse through different stocks or use the search function to find a specific one. Selecting a stock will bring up detailed information about it, which is crucial for making informed investment decisions. After selecting your stock, tap on Summary. This section gives you an overview of the stock's performance, including various metrics and statistics that are useful for analysis. It's a handy feature that allows you to quickly assess the stock's potential. Now, scroll down to locate the Dividends section. This is where you'll find the information you need to determine whether or not the stock pays dividends. Dividends are portions of a company's earnings paid out to shareholders, and they can be an attractive feature for investors looking for regular income. If the stock has dividend information listed in this section, congratulations, you've identified a dividend-paying stock. This means that the company shares a portion of its profits with shareholders, which can be a valuable source of income over time. Keep in mind that not all stocks pay dividends, so this section may not always have information available. And there you have it. By using the dividend section on Moomoo, you can easily identify dividend stocks to add to your investment portfolio. This method is straightforward and allows you to quickly assess which stocks might provide that extra income stream you're looking for. Thank you for watching this tutorial on finding dividend stocks using Moomoo. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more investment tips and tutorials. Happy investing!